by the stars. It's real.
Run! Get out of here!
This isn't a Hollywood movie. It's made entirely in Google Flow for free.
It doesn't even have the Gemini watermark. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to remove it for free and create your own cinematic AI movie from start to finish.
Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Pulse. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more free AI tutorials. Today, I'll show you how to use Google Flow's Storyboard Studio to create cinematic AI videos for free. Google gives you 50 free credits every day, which is listed under New Features. This is completely free, so go ahead and open it up. I'm going to keep the style set to realistic for this project. It gives the most cinematic look. Click Get Started. Then paste your movie idea straight into the prompt box and hit send. Here's the secret. You don't need to write a full script yourself. Storyboard Studio reads your idea and builds an entire story structure around it automatically. Watch what happens next. Once your story is created, click on Assets. This is where things get fun. First, click Autofill Characters and Google Flow will generate every character in your story for you. Then, scroll down to Locations and click Autofill again. Finally, head to Props and Objects and do the same thing. Within seconds, you'll have fully designed characters, locations, and props. And honestly, the quality is impressive enough that it looks like a real production team put it together. Now, go to the Storyboard section and click Autofill. This is where your story turns into actual scenes. You can push your storyboard up to 20 scenes, which means you can build videos as long as an hour if you want to. For this tutorial, I'll keep it shorter so we can move through the workflow quickly, but know that the ceiling here is much higher than you'd expect. Once you click Autofill, Google Flow generates the script, builds the assets, and lays out the full storyboard automatically. That's the entire pre-production process handled in one click. This is where most people make a mistake. They jump straight into animating their scenes without doing this next step, and their videos end up inconsistent and messy. Don't skip this part. To make sure every single animation prompt matches its scene perfectly, go back into your project and copy the entire film script. Paste it into a blank document. This is going to become your master reference sheet. Next, open your first storyboard image and copy its scene description. Paste that underneath your script and label it Scene 1. Repeat this for every single storyboard image, labeling each one as you go until every scene description has a home in your document. Once that's done, scroll back through your storyboard and double-check that every image actually loaded correctly. Then download every storyboard image in order starting from Scene 1. Drop them all into one folder and rename each file to match its scene number so everything lines up with your document. Yes, this step takes a few extra minutes, but it's the difference between a video that looks professionally consistent and one that looks like random AI clips stitched together. Now, open up Cloud AI, click Add Files, and upload every storyboard image you just downloaded. Next, copy your complete film script along with all the scene descriptions you organized and paste the whole thing into Claude. Here's where it gets even better. I've already built a master prompt that does the heavy lifting for you, and you'll find the link in the description below.
This master prompt combines your script, your storyboard images, and your scene descriptions to generate professional animation prompts for every single
scene. Prompts that actually match what's happening visually with zero inconsistencies. Once everything is pasted in, hit send and let Claude analyze the entire project. When it's done, you'll have a custom animation prompt ready for every scene in your story. Copy the prompt Claude generated for Scene 1, head back to Google Flow, open your first storyboard image, click the three dots, and select Animate Image. A prompt box will pop up. Paste your Scene 1 prompt in there. Before you hit Generate, double-check these settings. Model, OmniFlash, Aspect, ratio 16:9. Number of videos, 1. Duration 10 seconds. Once that's all set, click Send and let it work its magic. When the video finishes rendering, hit play. Watch the quality on this. It genuinely looks cinematic. And this is coming from a completely free tool. Now, just repeat the process. Go back to Claude, grab the Scene 2 prompt, paste it into your second storyboard image the same way, and generate. Keep going scene by scene until your entire storyboard has been animated. You'll notice each one has a Gemini watermark sitting in the corner. But don't worry, I'm not going to leave you hanging. I'll show you exactly how to remove that for free in a second. Open Chrome, click the three dots in the top corner, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions. From there, open the Chrome Web Store and search for Izio Gemini Omni. Click on the first result. Then click Add to Chrome to install it. Once it's installed, refresh your Google Flow page. You'll now see the Izio extension available right on your generated videos. Click it and it'll automatically download clean, watermark-free versions of every clip for you. Simple as that. Completely free, no complicated software needed. Now that you have every clip downloaded and watermark-free, open up your favorite video editor. Import all your clips, drag them onto the timeline in the correct scene order, and export. And that's it. Your AI-generated movie is officially complete. A quick recap of a common mistake to avoid. Organizing your scene descriptions. It keeps your final video looking consistent instead of chaotic.
Thanks for watching AI Pulse. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and share this video. See you in the next one.